Hey, welcome back. So, Putty on Wayne. Let's see. So we have done this. We have done the unordered list, which is denoted here, right? This is what they do, what cats love. Now we're going to do what cats hate, which is I'm just going to copy this over now, save some time, and obviously make sure that this is that. Okay, and this I move it around, make sure the format looks nice. Okay. So let's refresh this page as well. So we'll make sure that we're on the create an audit list, OL. So OL. We kind of touched upon this, so this is going to be a fast video. So HTML has another way of displaying special elements by creating audit list or numbered list. So notice the number in front of it, 1, 2, 3, and you can't highlight it because it is part of the browser. The way it interprets HTML. So audit list can start with audit list starts with an opening OL element followed by any number of LI elements. Finally, it closes with a closing tag OL. So here we see OL. Let's just go up here. So we see Sylvester and Garfield, and we kind of went through this before. So let's just say that, okay, so that example create a numbered list for Garfield and Sylvester, which we saw just now, right? Sylvester is number 2, Garfield is number 1, right? Okay, great. So create an unordered list of the top 3 things cats hate the most. So I'm just gonna say, what do cats hate? Hairballs? Mice, I guess, and birds. Or do they like them so much they like to play with them? Anyway, I'll just just create this. Is hairball one word or 2 words? I'm not really sure. I'll just say it's 1 word. Okay, so that's good. Okay, let's move on. So this is pretty simple. Let's just put a space here because we have a space here. Make it easier to read. Great. So you should have an ordered list of 3 things cats hate. 3 things cats hate. Okay. You should have an ordered list of things cats love, which have a UL. Yeah, this one should also be indented. Okay, so easier to read, right? Okay, you should have only one UL element, one unordered list. We do have only one unordered list here, open, close, and one ordered list. Yes, open, close, one. This is considered one, right? This is considered one. This is considered one. Anything that's wrapped inside, just like this is one paragraph, right? Anything that's wrapped inside this is one. Okay, you should have 3 list elements within your unordered list, as well as 3 list elements within your ordered list element. So we do that. 3, yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, make sure that your UL element has a closing tag, which we do. We kind of looked at that. And your ordered list has a closing tag, which we do. And then every LI element has a closing tag, which it does. 1, 2, 3. So let me just copy this and show you. So now you see there's 2 of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can do this all day. But now you see it, right? Okay, so they're all there, as well as that's it. So this is all that the test is looking for. Let's run the test and let's move on to the next challenge. Down the rabbit hole we go.